Hi, we're off on an exciting adventure. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go get the others.
Join us as we explore beautiful Weymouth and Portland on the Dorset coast, showing you how to visit this beautiful part of the world by train and bus. To get there, we took the train to Weymouth, then hopped on the Portland coaster right outside the station to Portland Bill Lighthouse. After all that exploring, we headed off to get some lunch at the Lobster Pot. Arriving back into Weymouth, we headed straight to the Sea Life Park to discover an amazing underwater world. Next, we headed to the beach. With its famous golden sands and shallow waters, Weymouth has one of the best family-friendly beaches in the UK. So that was Weymouth, really easy to get to and a brilliant day out.
If you'd like to plan your own trip, here's how to do it.
Bye!